Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on PC. So first, launch Microsoft Store. You can launch it by using Windows Search. And then once you're here, search for QR code scanner. Press enter. And then on the first tile, the very first search result, click on it. It's an app called QR code scanner by Matthias Dyke. And then if you haven't installed it yet, just click on the get button here or the download button. Once you click on it, you'll have to wait for the installation and then it will look like this. Click on the open button to open the app, obviously. And then if you have a camera connected, make sure to allow those permissions and then hold up a QR code up to your camera. And then it will scan and it will automatically show you the link or anything that is included in that QR code. You can also create a QR code here, or you can open a QR image. You can save it to your computer and then click the open image file here and then search for that certain QR and click on it. It will actually open it and process it, scan it, and then it will show you a link here. So that's basically it. That's how you scan QR code on your PC.